Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Maritime English. Oke, kali ini kita akan membahas mengenai finding your way around the vessel and in town. Jadi kita hari ini akan belajar mengenai menemukan jalan di kapal dan di kota. Bagaimana pembahasannya? Let's get started. Jadi, sebagai pelaut, Anda tidak hanya perlu tahu cara menemukan lokasi atau tempat di atas kapal, tetapi juga perlu bisa bertanya tentang arah dan mencari tempat saat berada di pelabuhan atau kota saat berlabuh. Nah, ini penting. Kenapa? Untuk navigasi pribadi dan komunikasi efektif. Nah, baik di kapal maupun saat turun ke darat. Nah, sekarang contoh-contoh ungkapan yang sering kita gunakan untuk menemukan jalan di kapal. Finding your way around the vessel. Penasaran? Ini dia. Di antaranya adalah where is the bridge? Ungkapan where is the bridge? Nah, jadi cara menemukan jalan di kapal salah satunya ungkapannya adalah where is the bridge? Berarti di mana anjungan? Where is the bridge? Di mana anjungan? How do I get to the engine room? How do I get to the engine room? Bagaimana caranya saya menuju ruang mesin? Bagaimana caranya saya menuju ruang mesin? I'm looking for the cruise mess. I'm looking for the cruise mess. Berarti saya sedang looking for. Saya sedang mencari. Saya sedang mencari ruang makan kru. I'm looking for the cruise mess. Go one deck level up. Go one deck level up. Berarti go one deck level up berarti naik satu tingkat deck. Let's continue. Nah, sekarang contoh ungkapan yang sering kita gunakan. Menemukan jalan di kota, finding your way in town. Di antaranya adalah, where is the nearest supermarket? Where is, di mana? Where is the nearest supermarket? Berarti di mana supermarket terdekat? How far is it to the port entrance? How far is it to the port entrance? Seberapa jauh ke pintu masuk pelabuhan? Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? Apakah ada bank di dekat sini? Take the second street on the right. Ambil jalan kedua di sebelah kanan. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke kalimatnya. Kalimat percakapan bahasa Inggris maritim sehari-hari mengenai finding your way around the vessel and in town. Contohnya adalah, where is the captain's office? Where is the captain's office? Berarti di mana? Kantor kapten? Where is the captain's office? Go straight and turn right at the end of the corridor. Go straight berarti jalan lurus and turn right belok kanan at the end of the corridor. Di ujung koridor. Jalan lurus dan belok kanan di ujung koridor. Go straight and turn right at the end of the corridor. Is the engine room this way? Is the engine room this way? Apakah ruang mesin ke arah sini? No, it's on the lower deck. No, it's on the lower deck. Tidak, itu di dek bawah. I'm looking for the galley. I'm looking for the galley. Saya sedang mencari dapur kapal. The galley is next to the mess room. The galley is next to the mess room. Dapur ada di sebelah ruang makan. Where's the emergency exit? Where's the emergency exit? Where is the emergency exit? Atau where's the emergency exit? Di mana pintu darurat? It's at the end of this hallway. It's at the end of this hallway. Itu di ujung lorong ini. Can you show me the way to the cruise cabin? Can you show me the way to the cruise cabin? Bisakah kamu tunjukkan jalan ke kabin kru? It's up one level and to the left. It's up one level and to the left. Naik satu tingkat dan ke kiri. How do I get to the lifeboats? How do I get to the lifeboats? Bagaimana caranya saya menuju Skoci? How do I get to the lifeboats? Use the stairs and go to the upper deck. Use the stairs and go to the upper deck. Berarti gunakan tangga dan pergi ke atas deck. Where is the navigation room? Where is the navigation room? Di mana ruang navigasi? It's right behind the bridge. It's right behind the bridge. Itu tepat di belakang anjungan. I need to find the workshop. I need to find the workshop. Aku perlu menemukan bengkel. It's on the aft side of the main deck. It's on the aft side of the main deck. Itu di sisi belakang dek utama. Where's the infirmary? Where's the infirmary? Di mana ruang medis? Just follow the signs. Just follow the signs. Cukup ikuti tanda-tandanya. Go to decks down and turn left. Go to decks down and turn left. Turun 2 deck. Turun 2 deck dan belok kiri. Can I reach the forecastle from here? Can I reach the forecastle from here? Bisakah saya ke haluan dari sini? Bisakah saya ke haluan dari sini? Yes, just go through that door. Yes, just go through that door. Ya, cukup lewat pintu itu. Where's the port gate from here? Where's the port gate from here? Di mana gerbang pelabuhan dari sini? It's a 10-minute walk from the pier. It's a 10-minute walk from the pier. Sekitar 10 menit jalan dari dermaga. How far is the city center? How far is the city center? Seberapa jauh pusat kota? About 3 kilometers from the port. About 3 kilometers from the port. Sekitar 3 kilometer dari pelabuhan. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Sorry. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Apakah ada apotek di dekat sini? Yes, it's just across the street. Yes, it's just across the street. Ya, itu tepat di seberang jalan. How do I get to the market? How do I get to the market? Bagaimana saya ke pasar? Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. Belok kiri di lampu merah. Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? Di mana ATM terdekat? It's inside the convenience store. It's inside the convenience store. Itu ada di dalam toko serba ada. I need a taxi to the port. I need a taxi to the port. Saya butuh taksi ke pelabuhan. Wait here. One will come shortly. Wait here. One will come shortly. Tunggu di sini. Sebentar lagi ada yang datang. One will come shortly. Is the post office far from here? Is the post office far from here? Apakah kantor pos jauh dari sini? No, it's only a 5-minute walk. No, it's only 5-minute walk. Tidak, hanya 5 menit jalan kaki. Only 5-minute walk, jalan kaki, walk. Can't you point me to the nearest cafe? Can't you point me to the nearest cafe? Bisakah kamu tunjukkan ke saya kafe terdekat? There's one around the corner. That's one around the corner. Ada satu di tikungan. That's one around the corner. Ada satu di tikungan. How do I return to the ship? How do I return to the ship? Bagaimana caranya saya kembali ke kapal? Just follow the signs to the port. Just follow the signs to the port. Cukup ikuti tanda arah ke pelabuhan. Where can I buy a SIM card? Di mana saya bisa beli kartu SIM? Try the shop near the terminal gate. Try the shop near the terminal gate. Coba toko dekat gerbang terminal. Can I walk to the museum from here? Can I walk to the museum from here? Bisakah saya jalan kaki ke museum dari sini? Yes, it's only 800 meters from. Yes, it's only 800 meters away. Yes, it's only 800 meters away. Berarti ya, hanya 800 meter dari sini. Do you know a good place to eat? Do you know a good place to eat? Apakah kamu tahu tempat makan yang enak? Apakah kamu tahu tempat makan yang enak? There's a nice seafood place near the docks. There's a nice seafood place near the docks. Ada restoran seafood enak dekat dermaga. Is the port police office open now? Is the port is the port police office open now? Apakah kantor polisi pelabuhan buka sekarang? Yes, it's open 24 hours. Yes, it's open 24 hours. Yes, it's open 24 hours. Iya, buka 24 jam. I need to find a money changer. I need to find a money changer. Saya perlu mencari penukaran uang. There's one next to the bank. There's one next to the bank. Ada satu di sebelah bank. Where is the public transport station? Where is the public transport station? Di mana stasiun transportasi umum? Nah, itu merupakan contoh-contoh dari kalimat ya untuk menemukan jalan. Ya, untuk menemukan kapal dan jalan atau menemukan kota ya. Nah, di sini sudah ada kalimat-kalimatnya, ungkapan-ungkapannya. Ya, this is the end of our lesson today mengenai finding your way around the vessel and in town. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.